guys, my name is John now, and I'm here to experience with you for our share experience of the Sinolog for our in this video. Um, I love the experience on how based on video kay wala ko heard version and here's how tips on sa pahayag ng tao dito. And here's how it goes.
Ang akong panaw ka na! Kapayan sa nagnaguman Ginoo! Santo Niño! Salamat, Senyor!
This is interesting video. Was Sinolog, and they're going to perform for our the Sinolog Grand Parade. So I had experience in Cebu for almost like 10 years, 10 years plus years na lang. So in performance video is Hurikat sa Bais, representing of Negros Oriental. This 1 years before ang idakop di Puglasan Festival Grand Champion. It was last year of kaning nga festival, and gihanyo ni Chaco sa Garbia, and this was the most important videos and I experienced ko diri sa Cebu. And this was a performance dito sa Cebu Sports Complex, and they really have bright color and individuality of the vibrant for culture is seen, and they have a lot of experience tayo, so wala ko experiencing here in Bais, so wala ko lang i-share but na-enjoy diri, and di ko excited kaya wala ko siya nagiging kulo, and this is the favorite cultural in Bais kay siya mo yung tuog or ang kaso lang. Anyway, so this was video. It won 3rd place kay di daog siya kay Toledo City Cebu, and siya lang kayo usog siya ni Bais kaya yun siya like very the personality. And this was a video interesting for comment, and I like the style na ako, very vibrant and culturality, and this was stuff for this also, so I love what this is. Anyways, so thank you kayo sa akong share videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow Facebook page. I previous updates and wala ko na rin and we'll see you guys and for the next video. Bye!